Do you need a large studio? Well, if you're doing macro work, small things, desktop items, no you don't. This is my studio setup. For most things I have a black polished tile. It is 60 centimetres, almost 2 foot by 60 centimetres. Sometimes I use the white tile, which is underneath here. It's exactly the same size as the black one. The main items I use in order to remove any distractions from the outside, any oncoming light, I have a small clothes horse. I've removed one side of it, so it's only three-sided, placed on the table as such. Then around the outside I hang this sheet of black material. I got it in a nice long length from a haberdashery. The one side is slightly velvety. It helps absorb the light. Using cheap clips, I'm just go around the outside, clipping it in place. Trying to keep as many creases out as possible. Obviously when I'm doing the setup properly, I'm a bit more picky about it. But I make sure all the edges nice and clear, and I make sure the surface is polished and clean. Most important. Now, to get rid of really any unwanted highlights, I shut the curtains. And on these curtains, I've also got clipped another piece of black material. Makes the curtains darker, helps reduce again any unwanted highlights, any shines I don't want on anything I'm doing. I can control the light how I want it to be done. You can now see what my studio looks like. The great advantage is, as I said before, no unwanted highlights coming in from anywhere else. When I'm set up, I turn the room lights off. The only lights then I have from a flash coming onto it, or using any other light source. Cheap LEDs, my adapter looks. I can position the lights where I want them. Also, I can just lift the sides up, the flash coming in from the side, just light it up from wherever I want it. Another great advantage of using the clothes horse, just take a smallish plank of wood, place it across the top. I can secure it on the ends with clamps. Got them on both sides, it then makes the clothes horse a lot more stable. And then I can have things like a water drop system from the top. Homemade one, placed in position, drops every time where I want it, fairly stable. So, do you need large areas, an expensive studio to help create really nice images? I don't think so. This entire setup, probably over a period of a couple of years building onto it, maybe 40 to 50 pound. The tiles that are in a sale, about £7 or £8 each. I think the most expensive bit was the material. That was about £8 a metre, and I think I bought 3 metres of it. The clothes horse, £7. The clips, about £2.50 for 5 or 6. Scrap piece of wood, and that's about it.